We can use rayon to perform operations in parallel. First, in cargo.toml file, let's add a rayon creator to our dependency. Version is 1.10.0. Rayon can guarantee avoid data race. In main function, let's create a vector, give it a name v1. Let's create a vector. Let's add an initial value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's create a variable v2 equal to. Let's call the iter method to create an iterator from this v1 vector. Then let's call map method to perform some operation on each element. Let's pass a closure, and this closure can capture each element. Let's give it a name A. Then let's multiply this A by 2. And let's call the collect method to convert it back to a vector. Let's add a turbofish syntax, give it a type annotation vec. Then let's create a variable v3 equal to v1. This time we will use the par iter method from rayon to perform operations on each element in parallel. Then we will call map method to do some operation. It also will capture each value. Let's give it a name A. We also will multiply each element by 2. Then let's call collect method to convert it back to an vector. Let's add a turbofish syntax vec. Let's print out these two vectors v2 and v3. In terminal, let's cargo run. You can see it will print out the same result, but the difference is when we use this iter method and call the map method to do operation on each element, it will operate on each element one by one, so it can only operate one element at a time. So when the operation finished on element, it will move to the next element to do the operation on it. But when we use rayon, call this par iter method to create an iterator, it will operate on each element at the same time. So it will do the operations in parallel. This is how we use rayon to perform operations in parallel. Hope to see you next time.